the starch into a rice. This is the rice with starch. First, we are going to test the presence of starch into rice. This is the activity to study the effect of saliva on starch. It is the activity 1 of our chapter 2nd. We have the things: iodine solution, unchewed rice, chewed rice, test tube A, test tube 2, dropper, and this is a mixer which we have to mix, and this is a spoon. First, we have to put the unchewed rice into tube A.
What's this?
This is unchewed rice into tube A. Now this is chewed rice. We have to put it into test tube B. Now it's the time for iodine solution. If it's turned blue-black, it shows it has starch, and if it turns, doesn't turn into any color, so it shows that it has no starch. Now we have to put the iodine solution into the test tube A, which is unchewed. You can see it changes its color into blue-black. It shows that you can see that it turned into blue-black. So it shows that it has starch present inside it. Now the iodine solution, we have to put it into test tube B, which has chewed rice. Test tube A and test tube B. This contains unchewed rice and this contains chewed rice. You can see that unchewed rice changes its color into black because it has starch present in it. Blue-black color.
Show me the test tube one. Okay. Chewed rice, unchewed rice. Okay, that is the unchewed rice. Now the next.
Chewed rice.
So the chewed rice.
It doesn't change its color because it has no starch, because our saliva breaks down the starch into carbohydrate.
Okay. Show it.
Now, finally our experiment is successful.